65 Impala.
You guys are the best.
Howdy.
How's it going?
Dude, she is beautiful.
Yeah, first time on the sand.
Really?
Like the four-wheel drive.
Oh no. That stinks.
It did fine. It started struggling as soon as we turned around. And it just was having issues. As soon as we got up here, whole
Gave
thing just
out.
went boom.
What was your name?
Bobby.
Bobby. John, nice to meet you.
I think we know your father.
Awesome, awesome. Heck yeah. Cool. Awesome. And basically, you got the front ring, so should be able to just hook up to you, give you a nice, easy bump.
I just
and
want to make
get
sure
you
it
guys
goes
out.
back into
Yeah.
gear
Yeah, once you're on the concrete, it'll be easier to roll it and make sure it's
Right.
disengaged.
Yeah.
But, dude, the paint is awesome. I love it.
It just got out of the shop. Had a whole new undercarriage.
Really? Wow. Yeah, make sure you rinse it off when you get it back.
Oh yeah.
You already know.
We got another Jeep. You got a Gladiator.
Okay. There you go.
This was his maiden voyage on the beach today.
Well, hey, sometimes you got to figure out what the issues are so you can fix them, right?
She is a beauty though.
Yeah, just hope it's not too serious.
Hopefully.
We need to go through that box today, get the rest of the stuff in here. Hopefully those, some long shackles I'm excited to show you guys. Make my life a lot easier. For now, we got the regular cross shackle. Anything Income's still good. America, baby. America! Yeah! Coming again to save the motherfucking day, yeah! America, baby. You know what you're doing. You already got the wheel basically the right way. Just give me a tiny bit of gas. We should be able to creep it up and I'll stop you on the concrete.
All right.
I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed.
Well, you need to steer. There we go. Sucks to see a beauty like that get stuck.
Yeah, something's binding.
You should be on the concrete.
Yeah, I'll take these off. I'll put a long shackle on when we get back.
Yeah, go for it.
A little bit. Yeah, because it just started binding again.
Really?
First I thought you were just going to pull me straight out, so I had it in neutral.
Oh,
Both of them in neutral, so I was like, hang on. Let me go ahead and just, if I'm going to have to gas it, I'm going to have to put it back into...
I just didn't want to tug on this thing too hard, you know, and the pretty girl, so with a little bit of help, it glides up on there. But it went well, so. You guys local?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Awesome. I was going to say, I probably recognize your Gladiator.
The orange.
Oh, yeah, okay. I was like, they look familiar, but I see the vehicles all the time, so awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. What was your name again?
Bobby.
John.
Yeah.
Beth.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Awesome.
We do appreciate
Thank you
it.
guys. Yeah, of course. Have a good one. There we go, guys. Got them up, on their way. See you.
Yesterday.
All right, we're out here on the beach early afternoon, a little bit south of the normal area where we are pulling people recently, but we've got a vehicle. We'll see it when we get there. It's supposedly a 1970 Impala or something like that, but it's normally difficult to find a place to hook up on vehicles like this, so we'll see. We still got the tide coming in, and I'm not sure how close he is to the water's edge, but we're getting ready to find out. We'll help him out. I just want to point out we're going to get this guy in a two-wheel drive vehicle that just drove past this four-wheel drive sign. Okay, well, if his front end is up, it should be easier. I mean, I don't even know if these things have control arms, frankly.
True.
It's so old. I mean, we're going to have to figure out, we'll dig under there and figure it out. Slide along the front here.
Okay. Yep.
And,
Whatever you got to do.
See if we can get to it without digging. It's long. Alright, so the idea is we're going to be a drive.
Yep. Okay.
I got just an exit right here, not one we can use.
Oh, okay.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up my winch line,
Yep.
and I'm going to pull up a little bit, and then I'm going to lock in my winch, push it to the stand there, top of it. I'm going to start winching you up, and you're going to start giving a little bit of gas.
Okay.
And then when you're moving a little bit,
Yep.
and I'm moving, I'm going to drive out of here with you and go
Are we
down.
going over to the hard
Yeah,
sand
we're
here?
going all the way down to the hard sand right there, and then I'll unhook you and follow you the rest of the way out.
All right,
okay?
No.
Up to the top. I hate when I do that. I got it. Split up.
These are free. Yeah.
Cool. I can't walk it that fast when it's not. No, leave it free.
Leave it free?
Yeah, leave it free. I'm gonna go up a little ways.
All right.
And get on the top up there.
Okay.
So right now, just wait.
Yep. All right.
All right. You talk about.
are the best.
Glad we did that, man.
Get stuck in it.
What year is this?
65 Impala.
65 Impala. It's a beautiful thing, man.
Well, yeah.
Not beautiful when it's stuck in the sand. Hey Christian, I didn't get that side yet. Will you unhook that side for me?
Okay.
All right, man. There you go.
I never should have been out here.
All right, my friend. So we have a little bit of a YouTube channel, and we put the cameras up and we record helping people out.
Record all this?
Yeah. Do you mind if
Okay.
we put it up on YouTube?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Do you have a card? Did somebody give you one of my cards? Let me give you a card.
I got your card.
Oh, you got my card. Okay. So the YouTube is just that name. It's just Sans Toe.
Yeah.
So you type that into YouTube,
Okay.
maybe in a week or two, and you'll see us
Give it a
pull
thumbs-
this beautiful
thumbs up
things up. Yeah. Give us a
Okay.
comment. All right.
All right. Thank you, man.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it.
I'm
God
so
bless
glad
you
we were
guys.
able to help. Absolutely. People ask, my friend.
All right. Thank
I'm
you.
going to pull off to the side. Just stay down closer to the water's edge down here. You know where the water is. All right, buddy. Let me pull up out of the way, and then I'll wind this up. Okay. Hopefully he doesn't hot rod it right there. All right, he's doing it. Oh, yeah. Woohoo! Thank you. Don't get stuck. He's liking the notoriety, though. I can tell he's a dude that would want to be on YouTube.
Yeah.
He's
That's a nice Impala.
beautiful. Thank
you.
So can we put up on our YouTube channel that you guys said we did good? English? French. Oh, he's got a translator.
2 very boring minutes later.